Manmohan Singh, a legacy of economic reform and leadership. Dr. Manmohan Singh, born on 26 September 1932 in Gah, Punjab, now Pakistan, was a transformative figure in Indian politics and economics. His journey from an academic in economics to the highest office in India is marked by significant contributions to the nation's growth and international stature. Dr. Singh, who passed away on 26 December 2024, at the age of 92, was the 13th Prime Minister of India, serving from 2004 to 2014 under the United Progressive Alliance (UPA) government. Early life and academic career. Singh pursued higher education at Punjab University, Cambridge, and Oxford, earning a DPhil in economics, which laid the foundation for his later contributions to India's economic policy. He started his professional career in public service, holding various positions including Chief Economic Advisor, Governor of the Reserve Bank of India, and Deputy Chairman of the Planning Commission. Political career and economic reforms. Finance Minister, 1991 to 1996. As Finance Minister under Prime Minister P.V. Narasimha Rao, Singh introduced pivotal economic reforms in 1991 that liberalized India's economy, famously known as the 1991 reforms. These reforms dismantled the Licence Raj and opened up the Indian market to global competition, setting the stage for India's economic boom. Prime Minister, 2004 to 2014. Elected as India's first Sikh Prime Minister, Singh led the country through a period of steady economic growth, with India achieving high GDP growth rates. His administration was noted for its focus on inclusive growth, addressing the needs of the rural and impoverished segments through landmark legislation. International recognition. Singh was a respected figure on the global stage, engaging in diplomacy that enhanced India's position internationally. His role in the Indo-US Civil Nuclear Agreement in 2008 was particularly notable, showcasing his diplomatic acumen. This deal was significant as it ended India's nuclear isolation since the 1974 nuclear tests. His leadership was acknowledged by world leaders like Barack Obama, who praised Singh's influence and intellect, describing him as a guru during a state visit to the US. Later years and legacy. Despite facing criticism for being a silent prime minister, Singh was lauded for his integrity, humility, and dedication to public service. His death prompted an outpouring of tributes from across the political spectrum and industry leaders, highlighting his economic reforms and leadership style. His passing was marked by a state funeral, reflecting the high regard in which he was held. Top 10 Major and Best Accomplishments of Dr. Manmohan Singh. 1. 1991 Economic reforms, initiated liberalization, privatization, and globalization, pivotal for India's economic growth. 2. Right to Information Act, 2005, promoted transparency in government operations. 3. National Rural Employment Guarantee Act, NREGA-MGNREGA, provided a legal right to work for rural Indians. 4. Indo-US Civil Nuclear Deal, 2008, a landmark agreement allowing nuclear energy cooperation with the US. 5. Right to Education Act, 2009, ensured free and compulsory education for children aged 6 to 14 years. 6. National Food Security Act, 2013, aimed at providing food security to a significant portion of the population. 7. Aadhaar introduction, established the world's largest biometric ID system for better governance and welfare distribution. 8. Economic growth and stability. Under his leadership, India saw high GDP growth rates, making it one of the fastest growing economies. 9. Rural Health Mission, launched the National Rural Health Mission to improve health services in rural areas. 10. Global diplomacy, enhanced India's international relations, notably with the US and during global financial crisis. Dr. Manmohan Singh's legacy is one of economic vision, social reform, and a commitment to democratic principles, remembered by many as the architect of modern India's economic framework.